as well as Ebonyi. All these are geared towards increasing the strength of the Nigerian army. And the reasons are not far-fetched. There are security challenges across the length and breadth of the country in each geopolitical zone. So now with this additional 3,500 troops coming on board, as well as next week we have another 3,500 coming on board from Oshogo. All these trends will now be giving further training, advanced infantry training, before their deployment in various theaters of operation. To increase the strength of available troops and boots on the ground in tackling the security challenges in the country.
Now you talked about welfare and training in this personnel. How best do you intend to leverage digitization that is currently around the globe in enhancing the performance of the personnel?
Yeah, right from training, even in training here, we are leveraging technology. We have the indoor shooting range, which is one of the ways we look to improve their marksmanship principle. And that is part of leveraging technology right from their instruction in depth. When they go to the field, they have more advanced specialist trainings as well, so that we complement their skills in preparing them for the tasks ahead.